Maraming salamat Kiwanis Club of La Trinidad for your generous donation of these solar lights. It is truly a big help for our school and for the school staff as a whole. It brightens our school vicinity, making it more safe and conducive for learning. Especially in this trying times na lahat nagtitipid. Maraming salamat po, malaking tulong po ng solar light in managing our resources while helping the environment. As always, Kiwanis Club, thank you very much. Para sa bata, para sa bata.